Hello gardening friends. So I just stepped outside to get some kale for my smoothie. And I wanted to make a little video about what is still doing well, even though we've been getting all this frost and, temperatures in the 20s here in Louisiana. So here is the kale that I planted a few months ago. So this is the young kale. And I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 plants. And I harvest pretty regularly from these because I want to eat them. And I also give some to my rabbit for a treat. So I don't take all of the leaves. I take some old leaves and some new leaves. And here you can see this is an older kale plant from the spring, but it's still putting out. So these aren't as yummy, so I kind of give these to the rabbit. I've got a dill that is growing here. Oh yeah, that's dill. And then here you can see my cilantro, and that has survived the frost just perfectly. There's actually a carrot growing in here with the cilantro, but I've been harvesting this. It's great. I just get a little bit here and there. It doesn't take much. I'm gonna get a little bit for my smoothie, but not a lot because it's overpowering, but it's super healthy for you. It combats free radicals and radiation, so that is doing great. And then of course my rosemary bush is fab. My strawberries are under a bed here taking their winter nap, and these are some carrots, and the carrots are just doing great too. I mostly grow those for the rabbit right now. I mean, I will eat them, but my primary goal is to feed him for free. And there's Lucky. Hey Lucky! So it's warmer today, but get out of the garden please. I just wanted to show you what is still good here. So you can grow this kale in December in Louisiana, and you can harvest kale all year. I guess probably in the dead of the summer you're not going to get much kale. So get it while you can here. But yeah, I'll probably take 2 leaves from that one. This one I'm not going to mess with because it's still small, but looks like something else took some bites of that one because I would never take that many leaves. But we don't get many pests here now, as far as it's winter, so there's not a lot of pests. But as far as deer, birds, we don't get those because we put the garden really close to the house here. If you go back and watch, I've got a video on exactly how I made this garden with no digging, and it has produced wonderfully. So, alright guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day. See you soon. Bye. Okay, here's the spot. You ready to put the beets in? So just
just look left and see what and look down, okay? Look left. Which way is left?